I'm Elizabeth. I'm a trainer and consultant in project management. Currently, I'm working as an external expert at Incasol, helping them to design and implement a portfolio management system. Incasol is a Catalan government organization which is responsible for public landing and housing development in Catalonia. Incasol has around 300 employees and is facing around 300 projects per year. One of the key items in Catalan government is to provide with 50,000 social housing in the next 5 years, which is going to be a real challenge for Incasol. Incasol has been designing a portfolio management system for the last years internally, and I was brought in as part of an external team to help them with the design and implementation of this portfolio management system. The first step that we did was to look at and study what they had done previously. The main issue we found was too much complexity, trying to gather all data and reaching a perfection, and also that it was really not adapted to their needs. So what we did is just adapt an opposite point of view, going to a minimalist system with less features and really adapted to their needs. We decided to implement P5.express in the two main portfolios that Incasol has: land development and housing development. We made all this design with a team of 20 people, and we adapted P5.express processes, roles, routines, and information flow to adapt it in the way they already work to make it more easier for them. For my teammate, Miquel Oliver, and myself, this was a real challenge because we had to design this portfolio management system within only 2 months. P5.express minimalists really helped us to focus on what was really critical and avoid everything that was superficial and really didn't add value to the portfolio management system. During the design phase, we interviewed the stakeholders all across the organization, and we found two main challenges. One, a very high intake of projects, with several projects coming in every week. And a second one, there was non-uniform acceptance criteria for the projects. It was not only a financial threat load, but also a social impact related with government policies. And then a constraint, a very huge constraint in a very rigid organizational structure, designed and ruled by a government law. P5.express offers a value matrix that is able to feed all these needs: the social impact, the financial threshold, and also this fixed organizational structure. The leadership team, including the CEO, were very, very pleased with the final results. They thought that it's really very visual, easy to understand, which will make it easy to promote across all the organization, those 3,000 employees they have. Now we are in the implementing phase, and we're really very excited to see how it works out.